Detecting high-energy phenomena using X-rays and gamma rays. Title: Detecting high-energy phenomena using X-rays and gamma rays. Introduction. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with dazzling phenomena and intriguing events that captivate our human curiosity. To improve our understanding of such phenomena, scientists have developed sophisticated tools and techniques to detect and study high-energy phenomena. In this article, we will explore the use of X-rays and gamma rays as powerful tools for detecting and analyzing cosmic events, shedding light on the fascinating world of high-energy astrophysics. 1. The wonders of X-rays. X-rays, discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1895, have revolutionized the field of medical diagnostics. However, their application in astrophysics is equally impressive. X-rays are electromagnetic radiation with higher energy than visible light, making them ideal for studying high-energy phenomena. 2. The significance of gamma rays. Gamma rays, on the other hand, are the highest energy form of electromagnetic radiation. Gamma ray astronomy allows scientists to explore phenomena like supernovae, pulsars, and active galactic nuclei. Providing insight into the most violent and energetic events in the universe. Examples of such observatories include NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the European Space Agency's ESA, International Gamma Ray Astrophysics Laboratory, spacecraft. These observatories use sophisticated detectors, such as X-ray mirrors and gamma-ray counters, to capture and measure the arrival times and energies of the incoming photons. 4. X-ray observations. X-ray astronomy has transformed our understanding of celestial objects and their behavior. By studying X-rays, scientists can reveal the presence of highly energetic processes taking place in space. For instance, X-ray emissions from black holes and neutron stars, known as X-ray binaries, provide valuable information about the accretion of matter onto these extreme celestial objects. X-rays also unveil the dynamics of hot gas and galaxy clusters, offering insights into dark matter and the evolution of the universe. 5. Gamma ray observations. Gamma ray observatories have significantly contributed to our understanding of the most violent and energetic events in the cosmos. They have revealed the immense power released during supernova explosions, shedding light on the mechanisms that drive these cataclysmic events. Gamma ray bursts, GRBS, one of the most enigmatic phenomena in astrophysics, were discovered through their brief and intense gamma ray emissions. These enigmatic bursts continue to challenge scientists, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. 6. Non-astronomical applications. The significance of X-rays and gamma rays extends beyond astrophysics. X-ray technology plays a vital role in medical diagnostics, allowing doctors to visualize the internal structures of our bodies. It is also used in industrial applications, such as non-destructive testing and security screening. Gamma rays find use in radiation therapy to treat cancer, where their high energy can precisely target tumor cells and halt their growth. 7. Challenges and future prospects. Despite the incredible advancements in X-ray and gamma ray astronomy, there are still challenges to overcome. Earth's atmosphere absorbs most gamma rays, necessitating the need for space-based observatories. However, scientists are developing innovative techniques to detect gamma rays using ground-based observatories. 8. X-ray and gamma ray detectors. In order to effectively detect X-rays and gamma rays, astronomers rely on specialized detectors designed to measure and analyze this high-energy radiation. X-ray detectors often consist of gas-filled chambers or solid-state detectors, such as silicon or germanium detectors, which can accurately measure the energy and intensity of X-ray photons. These detectors convert incoming X-rays into electro ICAL signals, which can then be analyzed and processed to create detailed images and spectra of celestial objects. Similarly, gamma-ray detectors are designed to capture and measure the extremely high-energy gamma rays. Scintillation detectors are commonly used for gamma-ray detection, where incoming gamma rays see as the scintillation material to emit flashes of light. This light is then converted into electrical signals and analyzed to determine the energy and direction of the gamma rays. Other types of gamma ray detectors include solid-state detectors like bismuth germanate, GO, crystals, and high-purity germanium, PUBG, detectors, which offer high sensitivity and energy resolution. 9. The promise of X-ray and gamma-ray polarimetry. While X-ray and gamma-ray observations have provided valuable insights into the universe, there is still much to be discovered. One promising avenue of research is X-ray and gamma-ray polarimetry, WH. It focuses on measuring the polarization of these high-energy photons. Similarly, gamma-ray polarimetry could provide insights into the emission mechanisms of gamma-ray bursts and the behavior of high-energy particles in extreme cosmic environments. Several missions, including NASA's IXP and the Chinese space station's Polar, aim to advance the field of X-ray and gamma-ray polarimetry, opening up a new frontier in astrophysics. By studying the distribution of X-ray emissions from galaxy clusters, scientists can gain insights into the properties and nature of dark matter. Moreover, gamma-ray astronomy allows scientists to probe the fundamental laws of physics in extreme conditions. For instance, the observation of gamma rays from blazars, a type of active galactic nucleus, can help test Einstein's theory of relativity and the limits of the speed of light. Gamma-ray observations also provide opportunities to study the quantum nature of gravity and search for deviations from standard physics models. 11. Collaborative efforts and data sharing. Advancements in X-ray and gamma-ray astronomy would not be possible without international collaboration and data sharing. This collaborative approach not only accelerates scientific progress but also promotes diversity and inclusivity in the field of astrophysics. 12. Inspiring the next generation. The captivating world of high-energy astrophysics, fueled by X-rays and gamma rays, continues to inspire and intrigue the next generation of scientists. By showcasing the cutting-edge research and technological advancements in the field, educators and researchers can spark curiosity and passion in young minds. Through educational outreach programs, interactive exhibits, and engagement with schools and universities, scientists can share their knowledge and enthusiasm for X-ray and gamma-ray astronomy. 13. The future of X-ray and gamma-ray astronomy. As technology and our understanding of high-energy phenomena continue to advance, the future of X-ray and gamma-ray astronomy holds great promise. Scientists are constantly striving to improve the sensitivity and capabilities of observatories and instruments to detect and analyze these energetic photons. One area of focus is the development of next-generation X-ray and gamma-ray telescopes. Furthermore, advancements in detector technology are also being made. Researchers are working on the development of new types of X-ray and gamma-ray detectors that offer higher sensitivity, energy resolution, and imaging capabilities. Another exciting avenue is the combination of multi-wavelength observations with X-rays and gamma rays. Moreover, the field of X-ray and gamma-ray polarimetry is expected to expand, offering new insights into the physics of high-energy phenomena.